Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the device off and remove any battery or power source so you protect circuits. Put on an ESD strap. Static will kill components, so ground yourself. Use a small Phillips and spudger to open the case. Pry gently at seams, work around clips, and keep screws organized by location. Once the PCB is accessible, photograph the board and connector orientation. This saves time later and prevents mistakes when you reattach cables and shields. You now focus on extracting the old SD slot. Desolder the pins or remove mounting screws, depending on the design. Use wick or a pump to clear solder and work slowly. Rushing can lift pads or break traces. Once free, clean the area with flux and isopropyl alcohol to remove residue and inspect pads. Make sure continuity is intact between connector pads and the board traces. This confirms the board survived removal and prevents surprises when you fit the new slot. You align the new SD slot carefully. Good alignment prevents bent pins and cold joints. Tack one corner pin, verify placement, then solder remaining pins using correct temperature and minimal solder. Too much bridges contacts. Once soldered, clean flux, reassemble the device, reconnect cables, and power on to test read/write with a known good card. If it fails, recheck solder joints and continuity, inspect for shorts, and confirm card seating. Often a quick reflow or cleaning fixes the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.